Hello friends, Kevin here, and today is a beautiful day to take the train. We are here at Gare Centrale in Montreal, and I will be showing you a little quick tour of the entire train station, and then we're on our way to Quebec. Let's go. Let me show you around our train station in Montreal. Tip number 1, try to arrive early. We suggest arriving 30 minutes or so before your train because sometimes they do boarding early. And if you want to do a little bit of shopping here, they do have a little souvenir station. If your train is arriving early enough, you'll be able to head on over to the SAQ and pick yourself up a nice bottle of wine, or what we would recommend, since you can bring your own meal onto the train, Premier Moisson. This place is a bakery, and they sell wonderful sandwiches, a bunch of pre-made meals, and you can bring some charcuterie on board. Why not? And located right in front of the SAQ, you will find a Second Cup Coffee, where if you need a quick pick-me-up or a coffee fix, this would be the spot. One of my favorite spots to grab a coffee here. Now, let's talk about food. There's plenty of food options available here in the food court. Over 20 restaurants to choose from. My favorite would probably be the Deli Planet if you have a little bit of time, because they serve nice smoked meat sandwiches and a decent burger. These restaurants have strange operating hours, so make sure to have enough time to, 1, verify if the spot that you want is open, and 2, if, anything is under construction. They do have some less expensive options such as Subway and McDonald's available. I'll leave the full list right in front here. And if you need a quick snack, they do have a dépanneur right here, which is just a quick convenience store. And next to that, if you need to pick up any medicine or pharmaceuticals or last minute things, or even send something off by post, there is a pharmacy here that is a Uniprix, and inside of that Uniprix, there is a Canada Post office. Now, phone plans. Are you shopping and forgot your headphones, need a charger or a SIM card? There's a little electronics store here that sells a prepaid service called Chatter. Chatter is both affordable and very convenient if you have an unlocked phone. Currency exchanges and ATMs are available right in the station as well, and if you need to pick up another bag, Bentley's is a great spot. Bentley's also sells luggage tags, etc., everything you need for travel. They also, strangely enough, have a furniture store here where you can finance things. Relatively affordable, but also, why is there a furniture store inside of this spot? I don't know. The ticket counter is available here for last minute departures, and if you need to pick up a ticket, or if you need to make any changes. They do have a business lounge here, and it is relatively large, plenty of seating available. They offer light snacks and complimentary beverages if you are taking business. The business class lounge isn't anything luxurious, and in my opinion, not worth paying into. I like to travel the Via Rail to use their escape fares, making train tickets quite affordable and easy to go about. There's much better places to grab a snack here in the actual train station itself, and the money saved in between the two of those things can go into a nice meal at the actual train station itself. If you are traveling with animals, by the baggage claim station, there is an area for your pet to relieve itself. Now, onto the train. We are departing from Montreal to Quebec, taking train number 26 on the Via Rail. And we actually got quite lucky because we got one of the new vehicles. All these seats are very, very comfortable. And this train is actually equipped with LCD screens to tell you exactly where you're going and how far you are from each stop. Included in every seat is a plug and electrical socket that will be able to charge any of your electronics, and these tables, solid tables. Now, the Via Rail menu is decent, I would say, and I would recommend the ham sandwich with the maple butter, or one of the many Mandy's salads now available on the Via Rail. The train ride is extremely convenient and very affordable too, taking about 3 hours and 49 minutes to take you from Montreal all the way to Quebec. And now, a quick washroom tour. Basic amenities, clean sink, clean toilet, and the turbo flush button that makes the toilet sound like you're inside of an airplane. There is quite a bit of space from wall to wall, and there is a baby changing station. You are able to get dressed in here. It is relatively comfortable to do so. And there is an electrical socket, so if you need to plug something in to get ready, you can do so. Here I am, showing you the width. I could put my arm out and extend it fully, so you know, putting on a business suit would be relatively easy. There is an accessibility bathroom as well on board, which offers a lot more space. It is just as basic though. And yeah, here it is. Also, if the other spot is occupied, there is a changing station for your child here as well, if need be. There's not much left for me to show you in this video, so I'm just gonna take a nap while we head on over to Quebec, and if you guys have any more questions, leave it in the comments down below. So there you have it. We've arrived at Quebec City train station. But what's there to do? And what's there to eat? And where should we stay? We'll cover that on the next video. More food, travel, gaming, and more. Join us by subscribing. Bye.